What's up? What's up? What's up? Today we got how Sony reacted to Minecraft, Minecraft, Microsoft buying Activision slash Blizzard. Yo, and I just want to say, and this is what I'm going to keep, by the way, your cozy boy. But I just want to say that, like, every time I turn around, every time I turn around, every time I turn around, Microsoft is out here buying these, like, these ruined companies that like have seen disaster, and Microsoft just like, oh, that's okay, come on in, patting it back, come on in, come on in, okay, like they're just taking all of it in. They're just like, okay, this is getting kind of crazy, but like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification down below. Let's go and dive in, baby.
I am mighty key.
Gentlemen, I believe a toast is in order.
Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby.
A toast, for sure. And here's to 2022. 2022 it will be. And boy, do I like the word 2022, because it has a lot of twos. You know what else has a lot of twos? Horizon 2. God of War 2. Sony's gonna have a lot of twos. We can put out whatever we want. Hell, we might even put out KOTOR remake by the end of the year. Why not? And that was an Xbox exclusive at one point. Not anymore.
He's funny.
I love it here. I love it here. KOTOR used to be an exclusive. What does Xbox have now? Huh? Nothing. They have Starfield at the end of the year, and then what? Ass nuggets. They got ass nuggets. Sorry. What, Jim? I told you to not bother me while I'm in my gloating mood.
Sorry, it's just...
I think you need to take a look at this. What's the problem? This is something big. What? All it says is that Xbox bought Activision and Blizzard. Who?
What? Damn!
That's against the rules. These niggas cheating.
That boy, that man blocked. Oh, that man glitched the fuck. Okay. What about them buying?
So your phone is ringing.
I hear the phone, Jim.
Okay, you bought them. What about it? Like,
What? It was fun making fun of me all these years, wasn't it? Who's laughing now?
Don't answer that. It's rhetorical.
Because the answer is me.
y'all Xbox hounds be out here, bro. I swear.
How'd you
y'all
even get this number? Don't ever ask me how I'm doing stuff or how I'm getting stuff. I can do whatever I want. I'm Microsoft. I made computers. Bitch.
So what? Am I supposed to care? Huh? You own Blizzard? So? Overwatch and World of Warcraft have been trash for years.
Yo,
Okay, but
this
what about
guy, man.
Overwatch 2, huh? What about World of Warcraft 2, huh?
World of Warcraft 2?
He said,
You can't do that. Can he do that?
Oh man, I don't know, sir. This shit is crazy.
For years, my library consisted of trash. Halo, Fable, Gears of War.
He said trash Halo.
But now, my library consists of everything.
Y'all
never have Spider-Man.
I,
You think I give a damn about Spider-Man? Bruh.
Spider-Man got all these powers, throwing tractors through buildings, and he can't even save his Uncle Ben. Huh? What do you think I want Spider-Man for?
We're Sony. We've been running this thing from the jump. And y'all never gonna beat us.
Beat you?
Have you seen my bank account, nigga?
I don't need to beat you. I just need to buy you.
I got money.
you want to buy Sony?
Moolah. Cash.
Xbox want to buy Sony?
Benjamins. Dollars.
Dead presidents. I got stacks on stacks, nigga. Paper. Bread. Bucks. Cheddar. Loot. I got dough. Coins. Bands on
Bands. I got cabbage, guap,
I
racks
got
on racks,
cabbage.
turkey, squid, shekels.
Okay, we
plunder.
get it. You're rich.
We gotcha. Loud and clear. Keep your God of War, your Horizon, and your Spider-Mans. All in the world and soon enough.
I mean, y'all come on with a competition. Y'all come on with a
Hey
competition.
guys, this is just a quick thank you for sticking with me
He know what the fuck
through all
he
these
did.
years.
He know what the
I
fuck
know
he did. He know what the fuck he did. He know what type of war he just started. He know what type of war he just started. He know what type of war we just started. He know. He know. If you're Xbox fanboy out there, yeah, I'm looking at you right now. I'm looking at you right now. Yo, if you're Sony, if you're Nintendo, and if you PC, how you doing, bro? But yo, like, share, comment, subscribe, hit notification down below. Do you really think Activision? Do you really think Activision / Blizzard? I mean, like, I feel like that Activision really they serve their time. Like, especially what they got going on now with this whole bullshit, or should I say that they been had going on? Yeah. But Microsoft, hopefully you can run that a bit better. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully you can do that. But I'm not saying that they're not buying like strong ass companies. That's cool. But like I feel like PlayStation is more for the future. You know what I'm saying? It's more for like the future rather than just reminiscing on old shit. That all Xbox do. They just, bro. What about the future, bro? Okay, let's get out of that shit. Like, bro, let's see what the future got. Let's see what the future got, bro. Like, you already went through a whole couple years of any game just stomping AAA companies. Like, bro, like, but that's just my fucking opinion. Comment down below your opinion. Like, share, comment, subscribe, put notification down below. Samurai out.